was very important. And let us not forget that the Taliban leadership condemned the cowardly attacks uh, and executions in Pahalgam in strongest terms. And the fact is that the Pakistanis had thought that with the Taliban in power in Afghanistan, Afghanistan would be used as what they call strategic space against India. But the wheel has turned full circle, and the Taliban has completely fallen out with the Pakistani leadership and has actually reacted very positively to gestures of friendship which we have made from time to time, and they have used back channels to convey to us that they would like to have a normal relationship with India. That includes, for instance, sending students here. It includes sending patients here because their medical facilities are not very developed, etc. And they also would like to do a lot of trade with us. Uh, and for that, we would have to probably use the Chabahar port because the Pakistanis have been resisting trade between Afghanistan and India overland through Pakistan. Moreover, the Durand line, which one of my colleagues, Dr. Rajiv Dogra, once mentioned, is like a knife held to a Pathan's heart. The Durand line, as long as it stays, there can never be a lasting peace between Pakistan and Afghanistan because that line has no logic whatsoever. It has been drawn in a manner which cuts through, as they say, cuts through the Pathan land. So I think that this meeting is the beginning of a new relationship with the Taliban. There are issues which we have problems with, and that includes their treatment of women. But I think that we can take a pragmatic approach and first begin with those issues on which we can move forward. That includes a common strategic vision in the region, including towards Pakistan. That includes trade. We could facilitate some categories of visas as they want, particularly the medical visas, etc.